how to prevent a table row from breaking across pages in MS Word. Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Today, we're diving into a common issue in Microsoft Word, preventing a table row from breaking across pages. This tip is especially useful for creating professional and easy-to-read documents. Let's look at an example using a mock timetable from a school in Ghana. Our document spans 3 pages, and it perfectly illustrates the problem we aim to fix today. As we go through the document, you'll notice a problem. On page 1, the last row of our table, shaded in gray, extends into the beginning of page 2. This row should remain intact because it represents the exam students will write on that day. Let me show you by selecting the row. When I select the last row on page 1, it also selects the beginning of page 2, indicating that the row continues across the page break. As we scroll further, you'll see the same issue on page 2, where the last row extends into page 3. This breaks the flow of the document, making it less readable and less presentable. We want each row to stay on a single page for better readability and presentation. So how do we fix this? Follow these simple steps. 1. Select the entire table. 2. Right-click on the selection and choose Table Properties. 3. In the Table Properties dialog box, go to the Row tab. 4. In the Options group, uncheck Allow Row to break across pages. 5. Click OK to save your changes. And there you have it. Now you'll notice that the previously split row on page 1 has moved entirely to page 2. As we scroll through the document, each row now stays on a single page, making the document much more readable and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more tips and tricks. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and leave your comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.